Did my install eat, or did it eat? Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be attempt fixing my frontal myself, and a lot of you, in fact everybody that voted in that poll voted that I should fix it myself. So here we go. In this video I'm going to attempt to fix my frontal myself. This is my very first time that I'm going to be doing this. I watched a lot of TikTok videos, and the first thing they always do is to tint your lace, right? I think that's what they call it. So I'm going to be using this powder to tint my lace. Okay. This thing they do. I think a foundation will work better, so I'm using a foundation instead. But most TikTok I saw, the girlies were using powder, but it feels like it's going to waste a lot of product, so I'm just going to go ahead to use my foundation. Okay, this is important so that your lace doesn't end up looking like a different person and your face looking like a different person. So use a shade that is yours or a bit lighter than yours. So that basically, I think we are good like this. Okay. I think we are good like this. I'm going to hot comb this a bit so that it will look a bit smooth before putting it on my head. On my hair, and I'll go in with my hot comb to lay it flat a bit. You guys, like I said, I watched a lot of TikTok videos and I'm just doing as instructed because I've never done this before, and I really hope it turns out really well. After that is done, I'm just going to go ahead to cut. Don't cut in a straight line, cut in a zigzag motion. That's what all of them kept saying, so I'm going to go ahead to cut as on straight as possible. I just hope I do a very good job here. You guys, this just happened, and this is from a new kit. Oh god. So I proceeded to cutting off camera, and this is what it is looking like. Thing to do is to take this back and clean my hairline to remove everything of dirt so the glue can stick well to my hairline. Guys, my eyes are going to be here instead of here because my mirror is up there, so just sorry that is misleading. I'm using the Got to Be spray, and I'm going to be doing the 3 times spray hold. Okay. You're supposed to spray on your hairline. You know your glue is ready when it becomes tacky, like so. So I'm just going to go ahead to, you guys. Because I think I was on my list, you know. You guys, so this is what it is giving at the moment. I think I'm just going to go ahead to melt it for the second time and see, but the hold is pretty amazing. The hold is really great. The hold is amazing, but the lace is still, I'm still seeing the lace. So I'm still going to go ahead to melt it the second time, then I'll come and show us what it's giving. You guys, so this is what we have. I'm just going to go ahead to style it. You guys be the judge. Tell me how I did. So to flatten this, I'm going to be using my wax stick. I don't know if I'm being too generous, but oh, I'm sorry guys, I was supposed to bring out some for baby hair, but I'll still do that because I want baby hair as well. You guys, I'm just going to go ahead to go back and forth, then I'll come back and show you how our for the baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and take out this section. I think it's risky doing this with this. I probably should use this. I'm going to straighten this. yeah, part thinking and a bit of baby hair. I'm actually really laughing at myself. I'm just going to go ahead to straighten the hair and give it the fine bob. I don't know what you guys think. Did my install eat, or did it eat?